Hello my beautiful people out there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about negotiation, salary negotiation, how we can negotiate salary once we receive offer from any of the company. Okay, this video is our subscriber requested video. One of my subscriber requested that please ma'am make a video on how to negotiate on salary, like how we can negotiate on the offer what we have received already from the company. Okay, see, negotiating the salary is also a really important skill set in the candidate who is getting the offer from any of the company. Okay, negotiating you cannot do any time. Only the time when you have to negotiate is when you are getting the offer from the company. Let's say you are getting the call from the company first time. Okay, you are getting the call and they are asking your details, candidate details, like your name, your company, your experience, how many years of experience you have, everything they'll take. At the time only they'll ask you what is your expected salary and what is your current salary. Okay, that time you cannot negotiate because he or she is just a recruiter. They are just recruiting you. Okay, they are from consultancy or from the company, that doesn't matter. But the thing is, you cannot negotiate at that point. That is just an initial point. You have to clear all your interviews. Like the main negotiation time is during the HR round, or after the HR round also you will get the call for salary negotiation. Okay, but the thing is, you have to negotiate when they are giving you the offer. If they are giving you offer in the HR round, you have to negotiate on that in the HR round itself. Let's say your HR round started and they are asking you how much is your salary expectation. First they'll ask you how much is your current salary. You will say something like 5 lakh per annum. Okay, and then they'll tell, okay, we'll give 30% on this. Is it okay for you? That time you need to tell, we are not comfortable with this, we are expecting at least this much. What is your expectation is, you can tell them. If you are expecting 50%, if you are expecting 100% also, you need to tell them that we are expecting this much, but you have to make sure that you are capable enough to get that amount. Okay, it is not like your skill set is not that good enough that you should get that much CTC. So make sure that your skill set should be capable enough to get that much CTC. Okay, you have to make sure that, then only you can negotiate on that salary. Okay, one more thing will be there in every candidate, that is they'll fear, like if we ask for some negotiation, let's say they are offering us 5 lakh, if we ask for some 6 lakh or 7 lakh, they'll take off the offer back. No, they won't take, because see, if you are capable enough to take that much amount, if your value is that much in the current market, then you can negotiate. Definitely you can negotiate. Okay, don't fear like the employer will take off the offer back, again we have to search for the job. No, don't get fear. You should not fear on anything. See, you have cleared so many rounds. Okay, you have spent almost 1 month or 2 months. Somebody has spent 3 months also for in the interviews. So the employers also don't want to repeat all the steps again. They don't want to look for new candidate again. Okay, so they want to stick to you only. They find the capable enough candidate, so they want to take you. So if you negotiate, they won't take the offer back. You can negotiate politely. Make sure to negotiate politely. See, negotiation is a skill. That is also one of the great skill in the candidates. You have to negotiate very politely. Okay, you should not argue with the HRs. You have to ask the salary. You can negotiate the salary politely. You can ask them. Don't fear. Fear is a big, what you can say, enemy. Fear is a big enemy during the offer negotiation. Don't get afraid of anything. Just be frank and be polite while negotiating. Okay, you can ask. But the thing is, see, one of my subscriber commented me saying that, ma'am, my salary is this much, X amount, and I have accepted the offer, and my friend's salary is this much, Y amount. This X amount and Y amount is not matching. X is lesser and Y is greater. So he is telling, can I negotiate now? No, you cannot negotiate now. How you can negotiate? See, you already accepted the offer when they are giving. You have not negotiated at that point of time. Your friend has negotiated and he got the offer. And he got the offer better than you. Okay. No, you cannot negotiate by any chance. Why? Because he negotiated at the right time. You are negotiating by comparing his amount. You cannot negotiate like that. Okay, you have to negotiate while they are giving the offer. See, negotiation is not a dangerous, or not like they'll take back your offer. No, it won't happen. Okay, negotiate. And if you find that see, this much amount, make sure to do the homework before negotiation. Homework in the sense, you have to read about that company, what they are offering for that much years of experience. You have to go through the reviews, like how much salary that company is offering. You have to go through. That is all based on your experience, how you can gain that, how you can read that, how you can learn from that. Everything is based on your experience. Okay, just read the reviews online, go through the reviews online, and see the facilities what they are offering. See, only salary is not a negotiation point. You can negotiate on the holidays, you can negotiate on the leaves, you can negotiate on the, if you're having kids, small kids, you can negotiate on the preschooling. Okay, you can negotiate on transportation. So many points are there to negotiate with the HR. Go through each and every requirement which you are having. Okay, read the website, read the reviews, and come up with some report like how much they are offering for the similar candidature. Okay, and also make sure to see the market value of your skill set. What is the market value? What is the market is offering for you? Any other company. Okay, any company which is offering what is the highest market value, take that value and make sure to ask that much. Okay, and also one more thing you have to keep in mind, that when you are negotiating, you have to make sure that your skill set is capable enough to get that much amount. If you are not capable enough to get that much amount, then no need to ask that much. Reduce it based on your skill set. Reduce the amount. If you are capable enough to get that amount, then you have the right to ask that much amount. Okay, that much CTC. See, he negotiated at the right time. That's why your friend is getting the right amount. Okay, what he was expecting. By seeing that if you negotiate now, that is not the professionalism. So make sure negotiation time you need to negotiate. The right time to negotiate is when they are giving the offer. Do not negotiate once you accepted the offer, and again by seeing your friends or anybody else who is receiving more than you. By seeing that, if you are trying to negotiate, that is not the right thing. Okay, there is some professionalism which matters a lot in IT. Okay, so make sure to negotiate at the right time. If you want any help, you just comment below. I am here to help you out. See, joining bonus, many of them have also commented that how you can negotiate on joining bonus. See, minimum 0% to maximum 30% you will get the joining bonus as per the current situation. Okay, maximum 30% also you will get in many companies, but you should not stick to a single digit. Let's say CTC you are getting some amount, some 6 lakh they are offering you. If you tell, no, I want 7 only, then only I can join. No, you cannot stick. You also need to be negotiable. Also need to be negotiate on your expected amount. Then only they'll negotiate on their expected amount. Similarly with the joining bonus also, if they are offering you 0 to 30% in between, or maximum 30% also they are offering. If you are offering more than that also, that is well and good to you, but make sure to negotiate on joining bonus as well. See, one more thing I forgot to tell you is, let's say you are getting some offer. You are having 5 lakhs as a package. Okay, now you got the offer of 8 lakhs. So your friend is getting 10 lakh. What you can do is, you cannot again go and negotiate on the same offer with the same HR. Okay, what you can do is, you can give some more interviews with other companies. Okay, start giving the interviews with multiple companies and get some good offer. Okay, get the best offer and show that offer to that company where you want to work. Okay, they'll negotiate on that again. Okay, this is the only way you can negotiate again with the same HR. Okay, again if you go and without offer, if you ask I want this much amount because my friend is getting this much amount, no, you won't get that offer again. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you have anything to ask me, just comment below. I'm here to help you out. Okay, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Share my Instagram ID in the description box below. If you have anything, just text me. And one more thing, don't text me, ask me any personal things. Okay, only anything related to this video topics if you have, or any professional topics if you want to discuss, you just send me the message I'll make the videos on that. Okay, but don't ask me personal question like from where you have studied, from what is your percentage, how much salary you're getting. Please be professional. Don't ask such questions, please. So whatever you want, whatever you require, please ask those questions. I'm here to help you out. Okay, just follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for latest videos whenever I'll upload. Okay, make sure to like the video if you like this video, and also share with your friends who is from the same background. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have found this video helpful. If yes, then do let me know by commenting below. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.